how to add YouTube Quick Actions widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and then tap on Widgets. And from here, scroll down, then tap on YouTube. After that, we scroll down, then touch and hold on Quick Actions. Drag the widget and drop it onto your home screen. And let go. Now tap anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Touch and hold on the widget will allow you to remove it. Here at the top is a search bar. At the bottom are shortcuts that will allow you to quickly go to your YouTube homepage, open up Shorts, subscriptions, and open up your library. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.